Good morning. Another beautiful morning in Yankeetown as usual. We got an early high tide today, so we're gonna fish fast. And then we'll switch to shrimp, fish the outgoing, and then hopefully find some big black drum again at low tide. Stay tuned. I bet they're all the way up in the grass right now. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just figured we'd get one quick. So that's the next best spot. Everywhere the mullet hang out is always a good spot.
For red at least?
Yeah, reds and snook usually. But like that whole area right there is loaded with rocks. We caught a red there on artificial a couple days ago. You can throw that jerk shad if you want.
Yeah.
I go topwater, spoon, shrimp. There's so much fish up there. There has to be a snooker red in here. How did nothing want that? Got a nice red. That didn't take it long. That was quiet.
This might have lockdown drag on it right now.
Didn't even know you had a fish on.
No, I wasn't sure if it was a rock.
Do I need to net them?
No.
Looks like a slot sized fish. You and a dang redfish, man. A paddle tail and a jerk shad. You caught 2 reds and I can't catch anything on a spoon. Maybe spoons aren't as good as people think they are.
A little more slot in it?
It's probably not even slot. It's probably 17, 18. I'm about to start shrimping. That's a bigger fish too. Well, I guess it's good you're catching them all. That's a snook. That's a snook.
Yes, it is.
Snook always seem to like white, but I think anything moving, snook will eat it. Alright, I'm gonna try this gold one. What's nice about these fat paddle tails is they don't sink. They're real slow. What's funny is I caught a snook and a red right here 2 days ago on the backside of this point, and you caught them before the point today.
Justin on the board.
I don't know how I missed the fish following it. That's a little one too. Thank you.
Good little thing.
Hey, don't make fun of my redfish. He was swimming at me. I was trying to power pull down so you could catch one. No, we caught 4 reds. Not terrible. That's more reds than we caught last time.
That was a nice red.
That's a big fish. That's a big red. That's what I've been looking for this whole time. Big old redfish. Yeah, it's a stud. He's around the power poles. This is a crazy redfish. This rod is so flimsy. He went around the boat like a torpedo.
Nice.
I thought it was on the power poles, but he swallowed it.
Nice.
He's gonna bleed everywhere. That's like the one we ended the day with last time.
Yep.
This is fat 24. Right there on the surface. Hundreds of them. You can see them?
Yeah, I can see them.
I should have tied on. Oh my god. They're everywhere right there. Hundreds of them. Yeah, dude, there's hundreds. There's literally thousands of drum right here. Piles of black drum down there. Alright. Look at that. His biggest snook ever. That's a beast. You said your biggest snook was only 24 inches?
Less than that, probably.
And that's a 35 or 36. That's a giant snook. You caught him right under the boat. Barely hooked. Here, bring his head in.
That's freaking cool.
37?
That's freaking cool. I don't want to pick her up, but can I pick her up?
Yeah, we just gotta take a quick picture of her. That 37.5-inch snook. Look at that monster. That's a beast snook right there. I'm sorry I trapped you. Hold her by the mouth until she bites. Oh, yeah, biting is good. That's a beast. Alright, now let her swim with your thumb in her mouth. Let go of her tail. Just kind of wiggle her back and forth until she kicks. Beautiful fish. Big old overslat redfish going back. No, he's over. Another big ugly. A little bit smaller one this time. Fun fish. And there's another big ugly. Takes a while to get one to eat, but when you do, they're monsters. Big old fish. It's hard to leave when you catch a fish like that every cast. Another monster. That's a giant. Another whale of a drum. You ready now?
Ready for him?
Get in there.
Alright, now we go.
We go home now, he says. 12:30.
The only reason he ate that is because I was holding your line up.
I know, he followed it all the way to the boat. End the day with another 35-incher. He's letting me go home early, guys. Look at this. Nobody does this for me.
Okay, Thursday.
Caught enough fish today. He gets to go home. Everybody wins.